If you believe that opportunity is everywhere, then you might be suited for the biotech industry. Biotech is science turning nature into opportunity. The definition of biotech is not widely understood, and as the industry evolves, so does the meaning. Sometimes referred to as life sciences, biotech is technology based on biology, especially when used in agriculture, food science, and medicine.
The word biotechnology is really derived from the use of biological organisms, biological processes to generate new products or new services. They're involved in pharmaceuticals, they're involved in diagnostics, they're involved in devices, they're involved in vaccines. But many biotech companies are also involved in agriculture, in aquaculture, traditional industrial processes such as industrial enzymes. I mean, you may not know that many enzymes that are used to dye blue jeans come from biotechnology.
Creating new technologies from our natural world can be complex, sometimes involving health and ethical questions. To bring a biotech product to market, it will require research and development, a costly item on any spreadsheet. Profits are not the main reason when you go into biotech.
Motivation is really revolutionary, trying to create innovative products and services that ultimately will change the way that our society and functions and the way that we live. And so it tends to be driven mostly by dreamers from the academic sector that have better ways of doing things. And that's the starting point.
With R&D requiring so many resources, partnership between schools, government, and business have become the norm in bringing an idea to market. Any company that's thinking about a venture into biotech should consider these partnerships.
The infrastructure and the programs that have been built in various universities as well as government organizations is critical in terms of moving to the next level for many of these inventors.
Biotech does not reap the largest profits, but it does have the financial support of the government through seed funds and tax credits. Biotech is about creating intellectual properties, and that's all part of moving Canada from labor to a knowledge-based economy.
Biotech is very exciting in general. And I looked at it as like it is a great opportunity for all the new scientists and all the people that is actually in the knowledge-based economy is actually going to help us to actually grow our country. For Canada, for North America, how are we going to actually help our next generation to grow? How are we going to make Canada to be prosperous? Okay, and I really think that the government need to have to play a big role in helping us, helping the biotech industries, helping the industry in this particular knowledge-based industry to really grow up.
Chang is Managing Director for PharmEng Innovations, a research company that specializes in biotech R&D. He sees a bright future for some of the products that they are developing.
Well, there's a lot of different areas, especially in the area of diagnostic, in the area of health industries, mainly helping us, the older generation, to actually live longer, to have a better life. To us, it's like everybody is growing older and older, and for myself and for any of the future generation, they are also having a longer lifespan.
There's no doubt that biotech involves leading-edge science, but some of the best ideas come from the typical entrepreneur.
There are people from all walks of life actually come up with different ideas. The opportunity is out there for you to actually bring in and say, well, and then we have to look at it as like, is there a market there? And how big is this particular market, and what is the potential for the market going to be?
Fortunes have been made in biotech, but it's the breakthroughs that can give us a better quality of life, which are the real goals. An investment in biotech does not have a quick return.
But it's a long-term process. It's not generally something that you can make a lot of money in a couple of years. It needs an investment from a 7 to 10 year kind of horizon in order to get the returns.
Big Fish Video Productions.